on the menu today. I think we'll continue on with the shower. Got the walls down yesterday, and I don't want to spend a heap of time in here today, so I think I'll just see if I can get the shower pan out. Call that done. I'm going in. This might be the last time anyone hears from me. You don't like it down here. And I need to go down there. Ick. I'm confident that I can't fit under there. If I could get past this stud, maybe. There. But yeah, one of the things that we want to do with this Reno is open up the space under here a bit. Just get some easy access through that bathroom floor. But the easy way to get through the bathroom floor is through that shower pan. The shower pan is glued in from underneath. So, what to do? I think horse might be the answer. All about the order of operation. To get the pan out, I need to get the walls out. To get the walls out, I need to get the trim off. So, trim it is. The problem I'm having is the trim's the toughest thing up there. Walls are so flimsy, they've got no support. Need to find a stub. I love it when you open up a wall like that. It's like stepping back in time. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for today. I can hear Catherine's in a meeting and yeah, she won't appreciate bashing and crashing. So I'm going to head back out to the shed.